Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Bad Habit Aphrodite Palette. This palette costs $12 on shophush.com, and if you do download the app you will get free shipping, so make sure you do that because free shipping is just, it's sent from the gods. So this is an 18 color eyeshadow collection and it is a dupe for the Huda Beauty. Sorry, I always say booty and I don't know why. It's just because Huda Booty. The Huda Beauty palette, the rose gold one. So you do get a nice big mirror in here. And I have been playing around with this bad boy for about a week now, playing with all the shadows in here. And they're so nice. They're super pigmented, super creamy, very easy to blend out. I'm going to show you how amazingly blendable and pigmented these colors are in the tutorial. I'm going to be doing the makeup look that I have on right now. You guys are going to get to go in depth with the eyes with me. And we're going to be using a few of these really pretty colors in here. So if you guys have not gotten your hands on this palette yet, I really do recommend doing it. For the price, like, it's a bang for its buck, like it really is, and you guys are gonna get to see that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Just dropped it. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Laura Mercier Eye Basics Primer in the shade Wheat, and I'm just going to be applying that all over the eyelids on both sides. And then I'm taking a damp Eco Tools little beauty blender, and I'm just going to be blending that out on both sides, making sure you blend it out evenly because it's really important. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm just going to be taking a fluffy brush and taking the product out of the lid that I tapped in there. And I'm just going to be setting that primer with it. It's really important to set your primer to make sure it doesn't go anywhere and make sure your eyeshadows don't go anywhere as well. Alright, going in with the Aphrodite palette. Ah, so pretty. We're first going to be taking the shade Blushing, and we're going to take it with the Elizabeth Mott blending brush. And I'm going to be applying this shade in the crease as my transition color. So with a light hand and circular motions, I'm working back and forth in the crease, and I'm going to blend this color a little bit higher than the natural crease just to add a little bit definition and to really make that color pop when my eyes are open. And then doing the same thing on the other side, making sure you're blending in those circular motions back and forth, bringing it just a little bit higher. And you want to make sure you blend this color out very nicely. As you can see, this color is very pigmented, blends like a dream. I'm really digging this palette so far. Alright, then I'm going to go in with the shade Flirt, this really nice, kind of tamed hot pink. And I'm just going to be taking the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this into the crease, but not as high as I did the transition shade. Blending it actually a little bit lower, but in the same circular motions back and forth in the crease. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And I really want to build this pink color up because it's so pretty and I really want it to pop. So I'm just going to go in with another layer to really blend it out and build it up. Alright, the next thing I'm doing is just taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges. Make sure everything is nice and blended together. Those two shades are really nice transitioned. Alright, then I'm going with the Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid to cut my crease. And I'm going with the Eco Tools Detailer brush to pack on this concealer. You want to make sure you're using a packing motion or patting motion, not a rubbing motion, or else it's going to move your concealer and your shadow everywhere. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Alright, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And then I'm going to set that concealer with the same brush that I used for the Laura Mercier setting powder. Alright, then I'm going to be taking my Luxie Precision Shader 239 brush and taking the shade Love and spraying it with the Cover FX Illuminating Fixing Spray. I'm going to pack this on the outer half of the eye just to darken it up. This shade is gorgeous. I love it so much. It's so pigmented, super creamy. This palette is a dream for $12, honestly. Alright, and I'm just going in on the same, doing the same thing on the other eye is what I meant to say. And with this, you want to make sure you're using a packing motion as well, not a rubbing motion, just to pack that color on there. Because you want it to be nice and as bold as it can be. Alright, and then using the other side of that brush, we're going to be taking the shade Crush and spraying it once again and applying it on the inner half of the eye. And I'm going to be kind of blending this out into the shade Love, that red that we put down, just to give it a nice blend and a nice transition, like a nice gradient, you know. Like I always say, a nice sunset. You want to blend those colors together. Alright, then I'm taking my e.l.f. crease brush and I'm going to be going in with the shade Lust and Jealousy and mixing those two together. And I'm going to be using these to darken up that outer V. So taking it in kind of a C motion in the outer V and just packing it in there and kind of blending it out as well. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Alright, then I'm just going to take another clean blending brush and make sure that all of those shades blend together very well and there are no harsh edges. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with the shade Blushing and Flirt with the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going to be smoking out that bottom lash line with this. And then I'm going in with the Luxie 231T brush, and I'm just going to be tightlining the bottom line with the shade Lust and Jealousy mixed together once again. Alrighty, then I'm going to go in with the shade Tease, and I'm just going to be applying this as my brow highlight color. Alright, then I'm going in with the Super Cat Liner from Dirty Works. And I'm going to be lining my lash line. Just flicking it out, then dragging it in, and connecting everything. It is so hard to do your eyeliner on camera. Like, I'm literally like cringing watching this. I cringe watching anyone do their eyeliner just because I know how difficult it is. I'm like, oh, I feel your struggle. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. Alright, then I'm going to be curling my lashes. Get them nice and curly as much as I can. Alright, and then I'm going to be going in with the Tarteist mascara. And I'm going to be running this through my lashes while twirling the wand at the same time to give them length and definition and curl. I'm not really one to put falsies on. I usually only put falsies on for really special occasions, so I try to build up this as much as I possibly can because it's as good as it's going to get, my tiny little lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial look and you want more videos in the future, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Peace out, Girl Scout. My baby Otis and I wish you the best day or night or whatever it is, wherever you are.